Welcome to Education Hub.
A. A is for Annie.
A is for Annie.
B. B is for Black Vulture.
B is for Black Vulture.
C. C is for Cuckoo.
C is for Cuckoo.
D. D is for Duck.
D is for Duck.
E. E is for Eagle.
E is for Eagle.
F. F is for Flamingo.
F is for Flamingo.
G. G is for Gull.
G is for Gull.
H. H is for Hen.
H is for Hen.
I. I is for Iceland Gull.
I is for Iceland Gull.
J. J is for James Flamingo.
J is for James Flamingo.
K. K is for Cuckoo.
K is for Cuckoo.
L. L is for Lake Duck.
L is for Lake Duck.
M. M is for Myna.
M is for Myna.
N. N is for Nightangle.
N is for Nightangle.
O. O is for Owl.
O is for Owl.
P. P is for Peacock.
P is for Peacock.
Q. Q is for Quail.
Q Q is for quail.
R. R is for Redpoll.
R. R is for redpoll.
S. S is for Stork.
S. S is for stork.
T. T is for Toucan.
T. T is for toucan.
U. U is for Ural Owl.
U. U is for Ural Owl.
V. V is for Vulture.
V. V is for vulture.
W. W is for Warbler.
W. W is for warbler.
X. X is for Xenops.
X. X is for Xenops.
Y. Y is for Yellow Warble.
Y. Y is for yellow warble.
Z. Z is for Zebra Finch.
Z. Z is for zebra finch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.